Okay, welcome back. Let me see who all are there. Just acknowledge you are really there or not. Nikita is there. Samreen,
Yes,
Madhura, Subodh, Shweta,
yes,
Suraj,
sir.
Vikas, Jay.
Yes,
Because nowadays it may happen that the mobile or laptop is on and you are switched off. That should not happen. I know you are overstressed and online education is at times good, at times bad. But it's okay. We have to move with time. We have to take best of whatever is available and utilize it. These are all phases of life and must move on for the better things. Now we will speak about the TAT, and in that we will practice one picture story writing and utilize it for narration. Only narration, group discussion will not generate, we will just do narration so that you get the feel of screening day, and in the bargain you get the concept clear for a picture story writing, what is expected and what is really required in that, and narration, because that is an unique moment when you are speaking, nobody disturbing you, and that is how it should be utilized properly. That is a golden phase of your screening day where you are showcasing your personality and must try your best. You have great chances there. In group discussion, you may or may not get chance. You are trying your best. You may not be heard despite trying all the things. But at least narration phase, if someone has proved, okay, I have something, they will definitely think for you. May look for another 4 days with you. Okay, from that perspective, one must be very alert on screening day, especially narration phase. Of course, group discussion is also your endeavor where you try your best. I'm just sharing the screen. You are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Uh, though I am explaining TAT, but one picture will be shown which we will be practicing as a PPDT, because it is in the first part I said thematic appreciation test on screening day is literally tested. One picture is shown, you write a story, you narrate, your communication skills is seen, group discussion phase is seen on picture perception discussion test phase. And that is how it is a mini trailer of SSB, and it is very dicey. At times good students get filtered because they don't apply themselves well, and one has to accept it. Okay, you tried your best, but result you have to accept it gracefully. If you get into next stage, great, try your best. Okay, what is thematic appreciation test? What we saw in SRT and WAT, here it is another dimension where it is a complete 360-degree perception. There are some characters visible vaguely or little clearly, and you perceive in any direction depending upon what thought gets generated in your mind. 12 picture story writings, one will be blank, in that you may write anything. Ideally it should be a thought process, 11 stories written and 12th naturally something coming out of your mind. But mostly people go with prepared story, but it should be logical. It should not be just artificial something not matching with your personality, because 11 stories are giving your personality. Feel about it. It is not a fact based test, it is a perception test. You may not be doing it 100% there, but you are imagining, your imagination power is seen. Of course, It cannot be like Superman type. It has to be implementable. You have to think little beyond obvious. In situation reaction, you were given a particular setup. You were bound by some situation. So your reaction was restricted. You had to react to that particular situation. But in picture perception, a scene is created. You think in any direction. You take it to whatever level you want to take. But in a realistic sense. So that's why it is said situation reaction test is a routine situations. But TAT is a situation beyond routine. You take it to whatever level you want to take. 360 degree, you can go to any direction. And in SRT, a direction was fixed for you. A template was created for you, a situation was created for you, and you are operating within that dimension. Here it is open forum. Next slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Tips.
So how exactly one should approach story writing? You must plot a theme, and for that you must find a clue. You must look at picture, because 30 seconds picture is visible. You must see characters, scenario, indoor, outdoor, what kind of background is there, what kind of people are looking in that picture, age wise, gender wise, and their uniform or dress code, what kind of profession they must be, whether village side, urban side, office, outdoor, one family or in society. You must be able to figure out कि ओके कौन है, कहाँ खड़े हैं, कहाँ बैठे हैं, whatever. And then imagine कि what they must be doing. बात कर रहे हैं, झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, एक्सीडेंट हो रखा है. तो different scenario you must be able to imagine depending upon what is being shown to you. You have to find out lead character in that picture. Who is the leader in this? Because after all, you will be painting that leader, and it is that leader through whom you are showcasing your leadership. You must identify who is the lead character in this and what role that lead character is performing. Please avoid creating multiple heroes or heroines. मेक इट सिंपल. टाइम उतना नहीं है, 4 मिनट में ख़त्म करना है. 4.5 मिनट मिलने चाहिए, बट नॉट नेसेसरी. 4-4.5 मिनट में ख़त्म होना है वो. If possible, if it is relatable to current scenario, COVID or some kind of election or some kind of problem solving, social issues, international issues, and if it is suiting, take it to that level, to that setup. Now, how to find out clue? 2 types of pictures are seen. One is reactionary and one is visionary. What does it mean? Moment you see a picture, if it is revealing कि एक्सीडेंट हो रखा है, कोई मर चुका है, कोई किसी को मार रहा है, या कोई किसी को कुछ कर रहा है और आपको समझ में आ गया क्या कर रहा है, दिस इज रिएक्शनरी. पिक्चर इटसेल्फ इज टेलिंग कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. हॉस्पिटल का सीन है, डेफिनेटली कोई पेशेंट है वहाँ, दिख रहा है, बेड पे लेटा हुआ है, डॉक्टर खड़ा है, कोई पुलिस यूनिफॉर्म है, कोई आर्मी यूनिफॉर्म है, कोई एनसीसी कैडेट्स का है, या घर में कोई हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ लग रहे, या भाई बहन लग रहे, या मदर एंड सन लग रहे. यू मस्ट फील कि मुझे ये कुछ बता रहे हैं, लेट मी रिएक्ट देन. लेकिन विजनरी टाइप में क्या होता है कि आपको लग रहा है कि ये नहीं क्लियर है कि व्हाट सेटअप इज दिस. 5-6 लोग बैठे हुए, बट वी कांट रियली फिगर आउट कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं, किस बैकग्राउंड के है. ड्रेस कोड से भी इतना पता चल रहा है अर्बन है, विलेज है, क्या है, बट नाउ वी कैन गिव एनीथिंग टू इट, सूटिंग दैट अर्बन और विलेज. कभी कभी तो वो भी नहीं पता चलेगा अर्बन है कि विलेज है. तो जो भी आपको पहले 10 सेकंड में डिसाइड करना है कि ये कहाँ का सिचुएशन है और ये क्या कर रहे हैं और इसमें लीड कैरेक्टर क्या है. विजनरी स्टोरी में थीम कैन बी एनीथिंग, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, रूरल एरिया का प्रॉब्लम, सोशल इश्यूज या अर्बन एरियाज़ के इश्यूज, सोसाइटी के इश्यूज, फैमिलीज़ के इश्यूज. इफ़ इट इज़ फ्रॉम वन फैमिली, इफ़ यू आर कन्विंस कि एक ही फैमिली के तो लोग हैं, ये 2-3 जो दिख रहे हैं. लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड एंड थोड़ा सा इधर उधर का सुन के जाते हैं, वो पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब करने लग जाते हैं. पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब नहीं करना है, आपको सीधा स्टोरी लाइन बनानी है, आपके थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स एंड एक्शंस देने हैं, और एंड में कुछ क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए आपने ये स्टोरी बना के क्या कंक्लूजन कर दिया. तो आइडियली एट द एंड ऑफ द राइटिंग देयर शुड बी सम क्लियर कट थीम एंड देयर इज सम लॉजिकल एंड. बट जरूरी नहीं है कि यू टेक इट टू अ टाइम स्केल ऑफ लाइफ, कि वो छोटा सा किरण नाम का लड़का था और वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट था, फिर बड़ा हो गया, स्ट्रगल करके पढ़ाई की, आईएएस बन गया, उसके बाद अपने गांव में जाके पुल बना दिए. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ इररिलेवेंट. वहाँ पे एक ब्रिज दिख रहा था आपको, तो टेक इट टू नैरो स्केल. जस्ट इससे पहले क्या हुआ, अब क्या हो रहा है और आगे क्या हो सकता है. जस्ट इमीडिएट पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड इमीडिएट फ्यूचर, इतने लाइन में आप अपनी स्टोरी रखो. बहुत खींचो मत, बचपन से लेके बुढ़ापे तक. जस्ट स्टिक टू द प्रेजेंट सिनारियो, उस पे ही ग्लोरीफाई करना है कि एग्जैक्टली क्या एक्शंस हो रहे हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा इमेजिनरी कुछ मत करिए. आप उस सीन को अगर आपने इनकॉर्पोरेट नहीं किया पिक्चर में तो इररिलेवेंट स्टोरी बनेगी. जस्ट आपने कुछ पहले ही सोच रखा था, कुछ भी दिखाओ लिख दोगे वही. बहुत बच्चे यही गलती करते हैं, प्री कंसीव्ड आइडियाज़, कि कुछ भी दिखाओ मैं तो लिखूंगा. इंजीनियर ही कुछ कर रहा है, फार्मर कुछ कर रहा है, एक सोशल वर्कर कुछ कर रहा है, बस अलग अलग थीम लिख के गए. अब वो पिक्चर को सूट भी नहीं हो रहे हैं. फिर आपको बोल देते हैं ये है पेपर, आपको इतना टाइम है, 12 स्टोरी लिख दो. आपको पिक्चर क्यों दिखाई जा रही है. बी रिलेवेंट. स्टोरीज स्टिल दे क्लेम आर नेवर गुड और बैड, they are desirable or not desirable. All your stories will be okay, but they want to correlate कि आपको क्या दिखाया था और आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन पावर क्या है, आपकी स्पॉट थिंकिंग क्या है. आपने कुछ देखा, उस पर क्या आपका इमीडिएट स्पॉट थिंकिंग है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मुझे दिखाने के बाद मेरा थिंकिंग क्या है. ओके, आई होप आई एम क्लियर ऑन दिस.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो आर यू रेडी फॉर.
Sir,
यस.
so वो कितने पिक्चर्स दिखाते हैं और कितना टाइम होता है उसके लिए?
11 पिक्चर्स वन बाय वन. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू प्रैक्टिस, वो इस पे साइट पे भी है अपने, उसमें इफ़ यू गो टू दिस, 1 घंटे का एक्सरसाइज. इट इज़ रियली एग्जॉस्टिंग. जब आप एक पिक्चर 30 सेकंड की दिखती है, 4.5 मिनट लिखना है, फिर इमीडिएटली 30 सेकंड की पिक्चर, फिर 4.5 मिनट लिखना है, फिर 30 सेकंड की पिक्चर, फिर 4.5 मिनट लिखना है. ऐसे तो लगता है कि हम कर लेंगे, लेकिन हमें जब 6ठी-7वीं स्टोरी लिखते हैं हम, और उस समय तक अगर आपका टाइम प्लान ठीक नहीं चल रहा है और आप एक 5वीं स्टोरी लिख रहे हो और 6ठी पिक्चर वहाँ फ्लैश हो गई, आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस उस पिक्चर में अटकी हुई है, आप ऊपर मुँह करके पिक्चर देख ली, पिक्चर चली गई, आपने वो 5वीं स्टोरी कंप्लीट करने के लिए लास्ट लाइन लिखी, 6th स्टोरी लिखते समय आप भूल गए अरे क्या देखा था मैंने. खत्म कहानी. आपकी 6ठी स्टोरी तो नील बटा सन्नाटा है. क्या लिखोगे भगवान जाने. ये कोऑर्डिनेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो इम्पॉर्टेंट गाइडलाइन इज, आपकी स्टोरी ख़त्म भी नहीं है, अगला पिक्चर दिखाया गया, रजिस्टर इट इन माइंड. उस पिक्चर के कैरेक्टर्स ठीक से देखो, आपको उससे रिलेवेंट पिक्चर की स्टोरी लिखनी है. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि 12 में से 8 ही करने थे, 4 ही करने थे, ऐसा नहीं है. आपकी पूरी एक पर्सनैलिटी आनी चाहिए. रखा है उन्होंने कुछ पर्पस से रखा है ना, तो आपको रिमाइंड करना है कि ये एक लंबा टेस्ट है जिसमें कहाँ से इन्होंने 12 का फिगर ले आए पता नहीं। तो थोड़ा सा ग्रांट करो ना उस सिनारियो को। आपकी पहली दूसरी पिक्चर तक तो आप कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड हो, टाइम प्लान भी ठीक चल रहा है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे ड्रैग करेगा आपका टाइम प्लान। और फिर एक पिक्चर दिखेगी, हाफ हार्टेड देखोगे, लिख नहीं पाओगे, कोरिलेशन ख़त्म हो जाएगा। फिर 9वीं 10वीं में पता नहीं कितना कोरिलेशन रहेगा। आपका 1 घंटे का टेम्परामेंट टेस्ट हो रहा है, आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स चेक हो रही है, आपका स्टैमिना, मेंटल स्टैमिना चेक हो रहा है। ओके, आई होप
सर,
Sir,
क्लियर।
I have
ये
one question.
12 पिक्चर्स ये 12 पिक्चर्स एक दूसरे से इंटरलिंक्ड होती है, टोटली डिफरेंट होती है?
12th में सिर्फ ब्लैंक वर्ड लिखा रहता है, ब्लैंक। आपको इमेजिन करना है। आइडियली आफ्टर 11 कंटिन्यूस स्टोरी राइटिंग एक और फ्लो में स्टोरी आ जाना चाहिए। एक और पिक्चर अपने आइडियली एक पिक्चर और इमेजिन करनी चाहिए कि बिकॉज अभी तक आपने एक 6 7 8 थीम्स कर दिए, 1 2 थीम मैच हो रहे होंगे, फिर एक कुछ फ्लो में एक नेचुरल आना चाहिए। बट ऐसा होता नहीं है बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स जनरली गो प्रिपेयर्ड स्टोरी के साथ। बट इफ़ यू कैन मैनिपुलेट लिटिल बिट विद दैट फ्लो इज़ आइडियल। क्योंकि जैसे कुछ लगातार 10 गाने 12 गाने गा लिए और इमीडिएटली कोई और उसी फ्लो में एक गाना निकल जाता है, वैसा टाइप। तो पिक्चर नहीं दिखाई जाएगी 12वीं, एक ब्लैंक वर्ड लिखा जाएगा जस्ट टू मेंटेन दैट थिंग। और आपको एक इमेजिन करना है। जनरली यू गो प्रिपेयर्ड, यू सेव टाइम देयर, एंड इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू योर प्रैक्टिकल पर्सनैलिटी। तो ये जो 11 है ये तो नेचुरल फ्लो में आ गए, तो वो बहुत प्रिपेयर्ड है। इट शुड नॉट मिसमैच विद दिस। ये आपको केयर करनी है, आपको फील करना है। एंड इफ़ इट इज़ नेचुरली कंसीव्ड दिमाग में, तो आपको वो मिसमैच नहीं होगा। ठीक है। लाइक इन माई केस आई रिमेंबर आई हैड रिटन अ प्री कंसीव्ड story, but that was related to my own life. So it was not really away from maybe my natural thinking. It was part of my life. तो वो naturally हो गया होगा, isn't it?
सर, पहले जो 11 पिक्चर्स दिखाई जाएंगी उन पे जो स्टोरी लिखनी वो इंटरलिंक्ड होनी चाहिए, या वो पिक्चर भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट होगी? मतलब वो स्टोरी पहले स्टोरी से इंटरलिंक्ड होनी चाहिए या
नहीं,
डिफरेंट हो चाहिए?
बिल्कुल डिफरेंट, जैसा दिखा वैसा। वी विल नॉट
यस।
क्लेम पहला सीन एक्सीडेंट का है, दूसरा किसी स्कूल का है, तीसरा किसी हॉस्पिटल का है, चौथा किसी फार्मर का है, पांचवा कहीं पे नदी का है, छठा कहीं पे मिलिट्री का है, सातवां कहीं इंटरनेशनल लेवल का कुछ लग रहा है, कुछ पता नहीं 2 देश के लोग नज़र आ रहे हैं। एक तो मतलब फेशियल, ये कुछ इंटरनेशनल लेवल का है, फिर कुछ इसरो का टाइप लग रहा है, कोई सैटेलाइट लॉन्च हो रहा है। तो देर इज़ नो क्वेश्चन दे आर रिलेटेड अनलेस एंड अनटिल कोई नेचुरल लिंक बन रही है कि इसमें भी इंजीनियर ही कुछ कर रहा था, उसमें भी कुछ इंजीनियरिंग ही लग रहा है। तो दैट इज़ कोइंसिडेंस। बट यू आर ओपन। आपने एक पिक्चर देखी, उस पर स्टोरी आपको दिमाग में आई, अगला जो पिक्चर दिखा अगेन यू आर फ्रेश, ट्यून द योर माइंड दैट वे। अगली पिक्चर देखी अगेन फ्रेश, कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं, अब जो दिखा उस पर बिल्डअप करना है। ओके।
Sir, I have one more
यस सर।
question on.
यस।
Sir, while the delivering narration, the effective content of the narration in within 1 minute, sir. Please told us that, sir.
ओके, सी इनफैक्ट आई एम हैप्पी विथ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्रैक्टिसिंग नरेशन, जितना भी हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। और इसमें आई थिंक 2 4 प्रैक्टिस में ये रिदम आ जाता है कि ओके आपने स्टोरी लाइन, बिकॉज यू जनरली टेल द हेडलाइन, द टाइटल ऑफ योर स्टोरी, you define characters. I had seen these characters, age is this, gender is this, and in my story Rohan so and so was this. तो आपका जो लिखा है एग्जैक्टली डिट्टो वैसा नहीं आएगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ नरेशन, बट इट विल बी सेम थिंग, यू पुट इट इन वर्ड्स इन अ फ्लो, तो वो आ जाएगा। ओमकार, आई थिंक यू आर डन कपल ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, तो इतना कोई मुश्किल
Yes,
नहीं है ये।
yes.
हाँ, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल का पार्ट है ये कि हाउ डू यू रियली नैरेट, वो आ जाता है 1 मिनट के अंदर जनरली। इफ़ यू आर ओवर शूटिंग टाइम, और उनको समझ में आ गया कि व्हाट वाज योर स्टोरी लाइन, दे विल से ओके नेक्स्ट। जनरली करते हैं। ओके,
Yes, sir. Got it.
टुडे वी विल सी, आप में से जो भी प्रैक्टिस कर चुके हैं पहले उनका सुन सकते हैं, बट हु ऑल विल बी डूइंग नरेशन टुडे? लेट मी सी।
Sure, sir. Sir, I
सूरज,
will.
निकिता, सुबोध,
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Thank you.
मधुरा हैज़ नो आइडिया। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम। ओमकार, यू विल ट्राई।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हु इज देयर नेक्स्ट? लेट मी सी।
Sir, me too, Shweta.
Shweta is also practicing. Okay, good.
So me too.
Who is there? Okay,
So
Samrin. Samrin, you are also
yes.
practicing. Muskan, why can't you are thinking on practice line?
So I did not practice yet.
This inhibition has to go. Okay, initiative, courage.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow will never come in life. हमेशा ये आदत
Yes,
डेवलप
sir.
करिए। ठीक है, आज ही करते हैं टाइप। ऑलवेज बिलीव इन दैट, वो पर्सनैलिटी बन जाती है फिर। ओके
Yes, sir.
okay, I will leave it to you people. I am going to flash that picture. Ready with your pen and paper?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If someone is not able to see, please tell me. Picture visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after 30 seconds I will remove it. Your time starts. Writing time 4.5 minutes. Okay, time up. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll.
Can I go first, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we
Because
will.
Yes, sir.
I'm
We'll.
a new one and can be wrong, something wrong with. So,
Yes, Amruta, what do you want to say?
can I go first? It's first time and I think I got it wrong, but still I want to read it. And then after listening to the senior ones, I can recorrect it or think on it.
Okay. If you don't know format, then it is better you speak in the end. Okay.
Can I say something, sir? Please.
Okay, you want to start. We will set the sequence. Amruta first, then Nikita,
Sir, sir, I tried.
Madhura. Okay, you also want to try. We will see second Nikita, then Madhura, then Suraj, Subodh,
Yes, sir.
then Samreen. Okay, one by one. So we start with Amruta.
Yes.
Average time you must take
Thank you, sir.
1 minute. Okay, less than 1 minute. Then
Thank you,
nobody
sir.
will
Sir, I
say.
will also narrate.
Okay, quickly. Amruta, go ahead.
Yes, sir. There is an agriculture officer. Officer is having a meeting with farmers of a village on the tree. He is telling all farmers how to use cow dung and gomutra. I don't know how gomutra is English name. So gomutra in farming. How to use cow dung and gomutra in farming. Farmer also listening to him carefully. Agriculture officer is telling amount of water cow dung Gomutra tobacco to mix and make organic pesticide for organic farming, and farmers who want to test their soil quality in agriculture laboratory. So they were asking for the information from the officer. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Nikita.
Good afternoon, everyone. From picture, I pursue more than five characters. My main character is male, positive, and age of 30. A scene of action is one person is standing and explaining something to others. Rajesh was a government school teacher in Viregaon village. He noticed that students were not coming to school regularly. So one day he decided to talk to their parents. In afternoon time, when villagers were sitting on in the common area, he asked them for the reason and got to know that they were working in farms. He told parents that education will help them a lot and will progress the family as well. He also assured them that once in a week he will arrange a farm visit for students and just to let them be aware of farm work. Everyone was convinced with him. Thank you.
Okay, farm education can be better end. Okay, something
Yes.
achievement of that leader can be more clarified. Okay, next is Suraj.
Okay. Good afternoon, friends. From the picture, I perceive seven male characters. Their age lies between 15 to 27 years old, and their mood was positive. The action of my story is pursuing others for research and technology. And my story goes like this. Umesh is living in Naini village of Uttar Pradesh and he is DST fellow and recently went to England for doing further research. After coming from England, he went to his village Naini. There he saw many students gathered for listening his experience. So Umesh told them about the scholarship he got and the future scope in research and development. In such a way, he pursue other students in his village. Thank you so much.
Okay, Subodh.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceive eight characters. My main character is Ramesh. His age is approximately 40 years of age, and he is in a positive mood. So, my story goes like Ramesh was a teacher and a social worker, and once he was posted in a village, but he get to know that the village is very backward, and the village is situated in the Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra. So the village area is very backward, and the people also very backward. So he decided to create awareness regarding the cleanliness drives as well as to educate them so that their children could get education much and they could flourish in the future. So he, along with his team, he worked hard to achieve that goal, and within 6 months, within 6 months, he create awareness among the people regarding the cleanliness drives, and he also told the parents of the children that to send their children to school so that they can educate and flourish in near future. Thank you.
Okay. Now, who is there? Samreen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Friends, the picture which was shown to us, in that there were six characters. All were male. The age was 30 to 45, and the mood was positive. My main character is Rajiv. He was the engineer. He was working in the irrigation department. One day he went to his village back. He got to know that there farmers were facing water crisis problem, and so he gathered everyone in the evening, and then he tell all the farmers about how they can use drip irrigation to solve this problem. Then he explained how to do that in a less amount, and he helped it every farmers who want to install the drip irrigation in their farm, and in this way he solved the problem of farmers in the village.
Okay. Good. Who is there now? Shweta?
Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. By this picture, I perceive a group of people. My main character is Ritik, and his age is between 30 to 33, and he is in positive mood. My story is Ritik is a member of an NGO. He and his team decide to spread awareness among the villagers about cleanliness. So he make a plan, divide the works within the group member. They reach nearby village. They grouped a group of 6 to 7 people. He told them how cleaning is important in our daily life. He told them by cleaning our surrounding, they prevent many diseases like malaria, typhoid, and etc. He also told by using toilet, grooming daily, taking bath daily, by using dustbin, we keep clean our surrounding. Gram Panchayat and villager work in this way and they live happy and healthy life. Thank you.
Okay, good. Cleanliness with giving details. Good. Okay. Who else wants to narrate? Vikas,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
Picture shown to us with a group of people, all are of 25 to 27 respectively. My action of my story is planning of the action of new construction road. Ramesh was a sarpanch in a village in which there was a huge problem regarding the road transport which is connected to the rural area. He, along with the local administration of the municipal corporation of the city, discussed the plan. Later on, after the tender has passed, one day a civil engineer from the MES department of PWD office has came arrive into the village. He instructed all the routing and has suggested the villager to use the alternative for the meanwhile. After 15 days, the road construction has started, and within a month, they have been connected to the urban city. It was a good for the villagers to connect to the cities in a very short period of time, and they can avail their facilities and explore their businesses from the urban cities. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else?
Can I, sir?
Yes, Omkar.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, friends. As per the perceived image, there are seven characters. All are male. The age is between 35 to 38. The title of my story is Awareness Camp. In the story, Ram is the main character who is an agriculture in charge of Jalna district. In his district, he sees the problem of water crisis is faced by the farmer. He decided to take an awareness on the low water farming. Then he started conducting camp and educate the farmer about the irrigation and sprinkler that gives more crop production at low water supply. Then all the farmer are learn this technology and you implement in farming. Thank you.
Okay, anyone else?
Oh, so may I?
Yes, yes, Muskan, go ahead.
In this picture, I could perceive more than 5 characters, male characters. Uh, so the story goes like there was a jungle safari camp which was held for the players, and different activities were carried out every day. It was a 10 days camp. Um, in which on the last day of the camp uh, there was a there was a seminar which was organized by an army officer for the awareness and for the debriefing of the what is about debriefing about the army and everything about army. The So I forgot to tell the main character first.
Okay, no issue. Go ahead.
So yeah, so the main character of the story was the a retired colonel who 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 gave the briefing and also influenced the young men to join the armed forces. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? No. We will go on a very small issue on this one by one. I have noted down themes. In group discussion stage, what will happen? I will again bring that picture back for more clarity, but now without picture, we will speak something. I will ask one particular question to all, one by one. We'll start in the reverse order first. Muskan, in that picture, why you feel that your jungle safari camp theme suits? What was your observation? Why that thought came of jungle safari?
So because I thought that it was relevant, I went to the camp and same was the scenario I saw there, so I could correlate.
Okay. Do you find your own personal experience dress code wise also?
Yes, sir. Actually, there was a little bit difference because I could see that some kind of cloth which was wrapped on that two person sitting in front. So I was confused a little bit for that, but same was the thing with my sir. He was wrapping that thing on his head. So I like I wrote that story.
Just a moment. It is better I get that picture in front. See, you have to defend. Group discussion stage में आपको defend करना है. You all are able to see picture.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let's convince ourselves. If in actual SSB this was a picture, you wrote like this, and in group discussion stage you have to defend. There will always be a possibility कि someone will question कि आपकी theme why you should support. Okay, now Muskan is saying she had personal experience, something like this. Immediately her mind recalled. But now Muskan, can you see the picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A person standing, okay, you feel he is a retired colonel, and the group sitting in front of him, you still feel jungle safari camps members. Okay, I will leave it that. I will leave it that. Omkar, why do you support agriculture theme, water crisis camps, and in explaining sprinkler and everything? How do you
Sir,
support?
yes, sir. There is, sir, below means backside of that the whole person there is a farm, sir, and there is a trees and the environment such like that, and the men who have wearing their cloths on their head that indicates that they are farmer, and the man who giving briefing to the whole person on the man's cap there is a one symbol that's like I farmer symbol means there is a agricultural in charge and there is any community which held the symbol in the cap so that
Okay, you will in your group
yes sir,
discussion stage will utilize the hat or cap. Hmm?
yes sir,
Supporting कि okay, I find him as a leader and he is using insignia of some agriculture mission or something. Hmm?
yes sir,
Okay,
and their appearance also sir well
okay,
tie up and seems like an officer of
okay.
in
And
charge
you
of
want to support
agriculture.
that the people sitting in front are from rural background. Everyone is
Yes sir,
looking like farmers family members or something like that? You want to defend that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are facing some problem like, and they're then the in charge giving the solution how to tackle that problem
Okay,
to
how many
overcome that problem.
total, how many characters?
So total seven, I
Okay,
told.
we are just going to basics. Okay, Vikas, why do you feel Sarpanch and road construction is your theme which suits this picture? Defend it.
Sir, from the observation, middle bottom, the gesture of that man, I feel like a village type. So in village, the main head is Sarpanch. And when comes it for the construction, I have chosen because the person who is briefing, we can clearly see a hat, which is usually a civil engineer wears when there is a construction going on.
So your
And the way of attire.
lead character is engineer, Sarpanch.
Sir, my main character I feel is Sarpanch, but with the help of Sarpanch, he collectively took all the things and arrange a session with the civil engineer who is planning to have the road construction.
Okay, Sarpanch is
So he's
sitting.
briefing.
Sarpanch is sitting in this group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just leaving at that. Shweta, NGO,
Yes, sir.
cleanliness. You gave a lot of details. Good. That was a positive point that when you are giving theme, you explain that cleanliness. So, how do you defend why cleanliness came to your mind and why it is warranted here?
Okay, so when I saw that a main character who is standing, he wear a formal dress and a hat on his head, and in between the hat there is one logo. In generally, when I saw the NGO people, there are some a common thing in between that, some like a t-shirt, a cap on that thing. So, sir, by looking that cap, I connect that that member is an NGO member, and by seeing the ground, I saw that there are a garbage on the ground. If we saw the tree and between tree and bushes between the ground, and by seeing the house, I thought that it is a definitely a village scene. And by the way of wearing the people dresses, they definitely belongs to that kind of village where which is a very backward type of village.
Okay, fair enough. Samreen, you are taking Raju your irrigation engineer and water crisis as a theme. Why you
Yes.
support that this particular area requires that water related theme?
So I found that the farm backside it is there is a water crisis thing, and the people are I mean, farmers are facing this problem, and they don't know the technologies which can be useful for them. So I found that, and the person that who is wearing the cap, it is similar looking like a civil engineer, because we usually wear that helmet on the head. So I felt that it can be a civil engineer, and he is showing the technologies which can be utilized in for the farmers for the better for farming, better farming. That's why I related.
Okay, there may be a counter. Let's take one counter in your case. There is a proper green tree is visible in the background, and even tree line is visible in the backdrop. So
Yes,
maybe exactly water problem is not there, or water management related issues may be there. So this may be a discussion point in your group discussion stage. Okay.
yes, sir.
You need to be really observant and preparing your points. Your voice is confident. There is no issue on that. Good. Subodh,
Yes.
why you took teacher and social worker and a cleanliness drive? What is your logic? Why is looking like a teacher and a social worker?
Sir, because in the means firstly I highlighted the it is a rural background because the house we can see that, and the rooftop we can see it is made up of completely like grass like shapes we can usually see in the rural backgrounds. And in that village particularly, if a teacher is posted who is who is already teached in the urban sectors, or suddenly if he get posted into the rural areas or some kind of this, so he can generally feel that the people or of that particular village, so that they can get educated, because this is very prevalent in our Indian villages that parents did not send their children to the schools, and cleanliness is one of the major issue in the backward villages. So, as a teacher and as a social worker, with the help of his team, he
Okay, fair
he
enough. Okay, Subodh, dress code is also supporting. Suraj, how do you support your theme of perceiving that research and development? Suraj,
Sorry, sir.
research and development theme, how do you justify in this picture?
Sir, I was telling that he went to England for further research, and when he came in India, so he visited his village. So there, the enthusiastic children get to know that what is this research and why
Okay.
this person went to England.
My
So
basic
they were
question
very eager.
in your group, suppose one of the members says, no, students were not sitting in front of him. It was like grown up people and maybe farmers. How do you defend them?
Yes, sir. Sir, it could be the parents of the children.
Okay.
Means
See,
there are
we have to be prepared to justify what I saw and why I'm telling this theme. Or even if you pick up someone else's theme, you should have points to support and really take that lead and go ahead with the common story. That is my point. Okay. Nikita,
okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
how do you support farm education theme in this story? What really came to your mind? And for your assistance, picture is in front of you.
Sir, my theme was not particularly on the farm education, but it was regarding the importance of education, means explaining the villagers. The first and foremost that it looked like village scene, so I mentioned village, and in village people usually roam around in their normal clothes, like the people who are sitting means in their clothes. The person who is standing, he has wore the formals. So basically, teachers in the village wear such kind of dress up because they usually do up downs from cities or tehsils. So that is why, first of all, I consider that character as a teacher. And second, that student are not coming because the left two characters, sitting characters, look like the young children. That's why that thought came to my mind.
Okay. See, your observations are important. You must retain it because 30 सेकंड देखते हो आप, उसके बाद कंफ्यूजन रहता है. ग्रुप डिस्कशन स्टेज पे जनरली कोई कुछ बोल देगा, आपको वैसा ही लगेगा बिकॉज पिक्चर तो सामने होती नहीं है. यू मस्ट बी वेरी वेरी मेटिकुलस इन नोटिंग डाउन ऑब्जर्वेशंस. जो जैसा बोलेगा वैसे ही लगने लगेगा. जितना पावरफुल कन्विंसिंग वे में बोलेगा, आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस ब्रेक हो सकती है. आप इजीली स्वेड हो सकते हो. यू आर लूजिंग ग्राउंड हो सकता है ऐसे. So you must be very careful in noting down, observing things, and then even your own story going for common pitching up, or someone else's story is coming up forward and you are supporting it in a constructive way. You must be ready with points. Okay, Amruta, you started. How do you support your theme, which is not irrelevant? Nowadays, a lot of talks are there, a lot of controversies also there. Amruta is there? No. Okay. Now coming to points. You all can see picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No one is left ना, सबका हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to open up few more things. Just a moment. Okay. You can utilize the scenario like people are sitting in front of a person. This posture is very important. You have to support why it is the village scenario. Generally, this is possible in village side. In urban areas, people may stand. That is how behavior is there. They will not be so keenly listening, sitting, and portraying respect. A very, very respectful thing. Dress code difference. Definitely, there is a dress code difference. You can see red जो भी marking किया मैंने. No?
No,
No.
sir.
No.
It's not visible.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, just a moment. Let me try once again, because this is very important. That is how you have to develop your eye for details. See, dress code of this person with cap, a typical cap, and now also not visible.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
leave
sir.
it, leave it. No issue. It will get recorded. Okay, a group is sitting in front of this man, and this man is very energetically explaining something. See, his hand is waving. He is showing something or giving some kind of gestures of explanation. His dress code is definitely different from the person who is sitting in front of him. He is in an open natural environment. There is a tree, maybe beneath that tree's shadow these people are sitting. There is a hut or a small house nearby. It may be the side wall of a school also. It can be anything. It can be a gram panchayat building. It can be a house, and there is a field behind it. Proper type belt and formal dress wearing and cap. He can be associated with anything. He can be teacher, social worker, NGO person. He can be the person from this village, went out, learned, and coming back and doing something. But you must have your observations intact to explain these things. Okay, including gestures, expressions, facial things. You note down the keenness with which these people are watching. See the couple of faces from side angles, how they are visible. Everything you must bring out in your discussions. Narration, to generally you don't bring out minute details about thing. In the group discussion stage, someone counters, and then you utilize these minor observations to defend your viewpoint. This is very important, how you justify your viewpoint. And one more thing in this thing, ki okay, you started story. Your story is not really coming out because there are so many people who came with different thing. Once your narration is over, your that part is over. Group discussion stage, don't be hesitant. Go naturally with flow of the group and with equal energy and enthusiasm. If common theme is emerging, be very constructive member of that theme building up. Be very as if it is your theme, because it is now team goal, a team spirit, a team's mission to come out with common story. That kind of energy should be reflected by you. I hope I am clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go to a little bit, 10 minutes we will go on interview tips. Just a moment. Can you see the slide? Interview scenario.
Yes, sir.
This is very important. It has to be engraved into your mind. This is how you will be sitting. Those who have gone earlier, they need not feel it because they have already experienced it. But those who are yet to go for their first appearance must have visualization. This is how you will be sitting in front of an interviewing officer, one-to-one interview, and there will be a gap. You will be sitting at a distance, and it is an interaction one should be ready for. Let's come to little details about it. You are able to see next slide. Interview
Yes,
tips.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, small
Sir,
things.
sir,
Yes,
sir, interviewing officer is one and there are more than one.
your voice is breaking, Omkar.
Sir, the interviewing officer is only one or more than one, sir.
Okay, fair enough. एक ही होता है. This is a typicality of this interview, except in a very rarest scenario, if there is a newly posted interviewing officer who is just sitting beside interviewing officer just to witness. This is I heard with one candidate that there were two people sitting, one was just sitting and observing. So he was training, something like that. You can take it as that. He may be
Or even
taking.
in my time, there was five. One was additional, and he was sitting just. He said us he's a new one. He's just observing you. So
Okay.
you will be communicating with me only.
Okay, but interview is taken by one officer only, president or the vice president there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One only. Another person is very rare scenario which Vikas has highlighted just now. Okay, first impression and dress code is very important. You must see, nervousness तो रहेगा. आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हो, वो पूरे 5 दिन के इसमें ये एक टिपिकल सिचुएशन है जहाँ इट इज़ साइकोलॉजिकली यही इंटरव्यू लगता है बस, बाकी तो सब कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ है. तो इट्स ओके, यू आर गॉन देयर and you should be prepared mentally. So when you walk in, greetings of the day, afternoon है, evening है, because interesting part is interview कभी भी हो सकता है during those 3 days. एक साइकोलॉजी डे और 2 GTO डे के बीच में कभी भी इंटरव्यू बुला सकते हैं वन बाय वन. तो जब आप जाते हो, इफ़ देर इज़ नो टाइम यू विल नॉट चेंज. आप GTO ड्रेस में भी जा सकते हो, GTO का जो भी टेस्ट चल रहा था वाइट्स में, या फिर आपको टाइम दिया गया है, यू गो देयर, कम विथ फॉर्मल्स. हेयर कट्स फॉर बॉयज़, गर्ल्स के लिए भी प्रॉपर हेयर वाला जो एक एक्सपेक्टेड लाइन है, इट मस्ट बी देयर. एंड it is a formal thing as far as the dress code goes. Okay, you must be going there with pleasantness, cheerful face. You are black, white, handsome, tall, doesn't matter, because your personality is tested through interaction. ठीक है, तो just get away from those things कि I am not that strong looking or I am not very beautiful or smart. ये कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. Your personality should be in a desirable standard. Okay, first impression, you go there with confidence. Nervousness आपको suppress करनी है. You should be successful in that. You wish good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is, good morning, and when you are entering, it's fair enough large room, and in that room you are offered a chair. When he says sit, you occupy that chair. Generally you should be standing firm, ढीला ढाला बैठो मत उसमें चेयर के अंदर. स्ट्रेट बैक आपकी होनी चाहिए, and look into the eyes of interviewing officer, both the hands on the thighs, and then it gives a formal look. Okay, when you are answering, बीच में अगर आपने हाथ उठा लिया जेस्चरिंग के लिए, ब्रिंग इट बैक, हमेशा हवा में हाथ मत रखिए. ओके, योर बिहेवियर ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यू इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ यू आर स्पीकिंग इज़ वन आस्पेक्ट बिकॉज यू आर आंसरिंग ऑल द टाइम, बट द अनदर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, whether your legs are shaking, whether your eyes are sticking to the interviews officer's eyes, where you are looking is very important. Your confidence is reflected. Unnecessary hand movement to be avoided, unnecessary body movement to be avoided. You must be looking confident. तो ये जो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन है, दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, क्रिस्टल क्लियर थॉट एंड एक्सप्लेनेशंस, डोंट बीट अराउंड बुश. ये एक आर्ट है, आपको मिनिमम वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन करना है, टू द पॉइंट बोलना है. तो प्रैक्टिस इट कि मेरा सवाल ये होगा, इफ़ इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू मी, आई शुड बी प्रैक्टिसिंग इट कि क्या बोलूँगा मैं, क्या बोलूँगी. तो यू शुड बी रिहर्सिंग इट इन माइंड. मेंटल ट्यूनिंग होनी चाहिए. योर PIQ इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में यही तो बात की. आपके PIQ को अब यहाँ पे कोरिलेट करना है, आपको खुद विजुलाइज करना है कि मेरे PIQ में से क्या क्वेश्चन जनरेट होंगे. इफ़ आपके 10th के मार्क्स और 12th में ड्रॉप है, आफ्टर 10th सपोज यू हैव गॉट 87% इन 10th, 12th में 69 है, देयर इज़ अ ड्रॉप. यू विल बी आस्क्ड ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन कि आपका ये फॉल क्यों है. यू मस्ट हैव रेडी आंसर, व्हाट वेर द रीजंस. नो एक्सक्यूजेस, फैक्ट इज फैक्ट, हो गया. यू शुड बी ready with that justification, sir, I was not focusing more, there must be some reason, but you should not be blaming someone else कि सर मुझे ट्यूशन नहीं लगाई थी, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया, घर में ये बीमार था. समवेयर रीजंस होंगे, बट आप खुद भी तो जिम्मेदार हो. इट शुड कम आउट वेरी ऑनेस्टली. you must be truthful, नहीं तो पकड़े तो जाओगी. With his experience he will catch it. Don't justify anything. Be honest and straight. Be it. जो है. A gentle smile is expected so that stress is hidden, nervousness is hidden. But no matter how friendly that interviewing officer becomes with you, don't get carried away. बिल्कुल पैल की तरह मत बात करो. That will be a mistake. Don't lose your ground even in tough questions. कुछ stressful questions deliberate होते हैं. Remind yourself, ये मेरा interview है, मुझे stress में डाला जाएगा किसी question में. I must control myself. I must be in senses. I must not surrender. I must be showing confidence. If not knowing, okay, sir, I will come back to you. I don't know. Be very, very simple on that approach. किसी चीज़ में अगर ग्रिल हो रहे हो, अंदर तक जा रहा है, कोई क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन आंसर में ही अनदर क्वेश्चंस डेवलप हो रहे हैं, गेटिंग इनटू डीप, डोंट लूज ग्राउंड, बी कॉन्फिडेंट. मे बी यू आर स्ट्रांग इन दैट, बट इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर आपको इस पॉइंट तक लेके जाएगा कि आपको लगेगा कि नहीं, मेरे में कुछ गड़बड़ है मेरे आंसर्स में. तो यू शुड फील कि नहीं, ही इज ड्रिलिंग मी just to check my confidence and depth of knowledge. Be very, very balanced in that. Some analytical questions will be there. Why? How you have done that? What was your opinion? Or in the recent scenario, there may be controversies going on, elections are going on. So your opinions are asked. It should be analytical, systematic, logical. You should have a viewpoint with justifications. Okay? Any questions so far? Next slide is visible. Flow of interview.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Visible.
sir.
Okay. How this interview goes actually? There will be initial settling. Sit down. Your name calling will be there because EPIQ is kept. Okay, you are coming from this place. How is it? Okay, settle down. तो वो rapport building and small talk होगा introduction में. Then it starts with simple questions. Very, very simple. Tell me about yourself so that you feel comfortable and you get into rhythm. क्योंकि उनको आपके बारे में जानना है, तो आपको कंफर्टेबल करेंगे तभी तो आपके बारे में जानेंगे. बट यही चीज़ आपको भी याद रखनी है कि आई एम इन एन इंटरव्यू, एवरी वर्ड ऑफ माइंड इज गिविंग सम इंफॉर्मेशन टू दैट इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर. बी वेरी केयरफुल. Be prepared mentally, be in senses, be alive there. Your education and training related things, your family background, your interests and hobbies and sports, these are obvious questions from your PIQ. Some of the difficulties you faced, some of the current scenario going on, problems you faced or your family faced, how you overcame, these are the interesting areas which will divulge some of your qualities. Your self-evaluation in many scenarios will be visible to him. How you handle your 10th, 12th, how you handle your hobbies, how you handle your tough subjects, some of the events in your life, sports related, or some achievements, some of the failures. Anything and everything is important. Nothing is negative actually. What you learnt is more important in those scenarios. Before closing the interview, there are different styles. There may be some questions which will put you under pressure कि ओके इस बार सिलेक्ट नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा. यू डोंट टेक इट टू हार्ट कि अरे मेरा नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसे नहीं है. योर प्रिपेयर्डनेस मेंटली, हाउ यू स्ट्रांग, व्हाट इज योर प्लान बी, और यू आर गोइंग टू कम बैक अगेन, हाउ कन्विंसिंगली यू टेल दैट. These are very, very practical questions. Don't take it to heart. Some of these situations are painted, family related. Your mother says like this, or your father says like this, your brother is not behaving well. Some family related questions, or your religion related questions, caste related questions, your educational related questions. You need not to feel saddened. It is a question, handle it like a scenario. Go to next slide. फील फ्री क्वेश्चंस में तो कुछ नहीं, बट डोंट गेट कैरिड अवे, कुछ अननेसेसरी बोलो मत, उसमें फिर सब क्वेश्चंस तैयार हो जाते हैं। PIQ के ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चंस, यू मस्ट बी रेडी, कुछ यूट्यूब में भी आपको मिल जाएगा। स्ट्रेसफुल क्वेश्चंस में एक आदत डालनी है कि ओके क्वेश्चंस में ही आपको हिंट मिल जाएगी कि व्हाट मस्ट बी द एम ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। इफ यू लिसन एवरी क्वेश्चन केयरफुली, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, you will get hint कि what kind of answer I must be giving. It's an art actually. It will not come in one day, it will come, but if you try it, it will come much early. Listen question carefully and what could be the intent behind this question. जैसे SRT में होता है ना कि 2-3 प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं कभी कभी SRT में, और आपको जैसे ही क्वेश्चंस में ही पता चल गया कि 2 प्रॉब्लम है, सोल्यूशन भी आ जाता है। समथिंग लाइक दैट यू कैन रियली डेवलप। रैपिड फायर वाला एक कंसेप्ट होता है कि एक साथ ही 7-8 क्वेश्चन पूछ लो, उसमें आपका थोड़ा टेम्परामेंट, बैलेंस, कूलनेस ये थोड़ा काम आएगा। एंड बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड। ऐसा 2-3 बार होगा पूरे इंटरव्यू में 40-45 मिनट 1 घंटे में कि एक साथ 7-8 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, तो यू बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड। अरे रैपिड फायर शुरू हो गया तो वो सीक्वेंस नोट करो दिमाग में कि इतने क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, एंड यू कैन टेक अ पॉज, 2-3 सेकंड का पॉज लेके शुरू करो एक बात, बट यू मस्ट बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड एंड गियर्ड अप कि ओके रैपिड फायर नाम की कोई चीज़ होती है। तो रैपिड फायर किस किस एरिया में होता है? आपके एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड में होगा कि आपकी एकेडमिक जर्नी बताओ, फिर आपका फेवरेट क्वेश्चन सब्जेक्ट, फेवरेट टीचर, बेस्ट फ्रेंड इन स्कूल, एनी मेमोरेबल इवेंट, ये सब एजुकेशनल रिलेटेड। फैमिली रिलेटेड, अबाउट your family members, good qualities, bad qualities, good moments, memorable moments, or something like one strong point in each family member, any difficult situation your family handled and what was your contribution. If you are working type, definitely how do you support your family. तो ये एक साथ 7-8 क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए, समथिंग लाइक दैट। फ्रेंड्स कवर होते हैं आपके इंटरव्यू में, योर वर्किंग पर्सनस में आपकी जॉब रिलेटेड कवर होगा। हॉबीज़ एंड इंटरेस्ट आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। लीडरशिप एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एबिलिटी आपको डिफरेंट सिनारियों में क्वेश्चन के थ्रू, ओके यू आर अ हॉकी टीम कैप्टन, हाउ यू विल ऑर्गेनाइज योर थिंग, आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे करना है, डिपेंड्स। सूटिंग योर ओन स्ट्रॉन्ग एरियाज ही पूछा जाएगा। आपके PIQ में ही कोई चीज़, आपने अगर ब्लड डोनेशन किया हुआ है तो ब्लड डोनेशन एक्टिविटी के बारे में पूछेंगे। अगर आपने सही में किया तो आपने देखा है, भले आप टीम कैप्टन नहीं थे पर आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, तो यू शुड बी एबल टू हैंडल इट। इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम NCC बैकग्राउंड, NCC क्वेश्चंस आएंगे। कितना रिलीजियसली आपने NCC किया, कितना इन्वॉल्व होके किया, वो तो उसको पता चल जाएगा। लीडरशिप आपके अंदर है कि नहीं है, कि आप जस्ट पैसेंजर हो, फॉलोअर हो, आपको कोई बोलेगा, आपके सर पे कोई खड़ा होगा तभी आप कर लेते हो, तो ये थोड़ा सा डिस्टिंग्विश हो जाता है। ओके, सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स अराउंड अस, लाइक आज के सिनारियो में व्हाट आर द ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चंस। आज कोई इंटरव्यू के लिए जाता है तो देयर आर कंट्रोवर्सीज गोइंग ऑन, इलेक्शंस गोइंग ऑन, सम प्रॉब्लम्स आर हैपनिंग, डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स इज हैपनिंग, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे यूक्रेन क्राइसिस इज देयर, ताइवान क्राइसिस इज देयर, बिजनेस इंटरेस्ट में US एंड चाइना इज फाइटिंग, कोरोना इज देयर, हिजाब कंट्रोवर्सी इज देयर, योर ओपिनियन विल बी आस्क्ड, there are some court big verdicts are coming, you must be prepared from the current affair point of view and social problem point of view, because we are humans. Tomorrow once you are leader in army, air force, navy, you will be handling problems, you will have different types of troops, so your clarity of thoughts, your opinions, how rational you are, that is very important. If you are from engineering background or whatever background, related questions are obvious. इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड के मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर थोड़ा मैकेनिकल के बारे में 1-2 क्वेश्चन पूछ लेगा, तो यू नीड नॉट बी वेरी वरीड। ठीक है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, यू आर एवरेज स्टूडेंट, तो यू कैन स्किप इट, सॉरी सर आई विल कम बैक टू, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट आंसर। इफ यू आर हाफ कॉन्फिडेंट, फेयरली कॉन्फिडेंट, यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ एक्सक्यूज, सर आई एम नॉट श्योर बट आई कैन ट्राई। तो दिस लैंग्वेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, रादर दैन दैट इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली शुरू करो और फिर बोलो सर, फिर कन्फ्यूज होके बस क्वेश्चन मार्क लुक दे रहे हो, दैट इज़ नॉट अ लीडरशिप। यू डोंट नो वेदर यू नो और नॉट, शुरुआत तो आपने बड़ी कॉन्फिडेंटली कर दी। तो दिस आर वेरी कॉमन सेंस रिलेटेड थिंग्स। पर्सनल अचीवमेंट्स, बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट. इफ़ यू आर रिटर्न, आप फर्स्ट थे, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट थे, स्पोर्ट्स में आप नेशनल लेवल पे थे, जूनियर नेशनल टीम में थे, तो वो सब चीज़ों में भी यू शुड बी टेलिंग सम ऑफ द टेक अवेज, सम ऑफ योर अचीवमेंट्स, उसको थोड़ा सा बताने का तरीका, वो सब में उनको पता चल जाएगा. हाउ डू यू सपोर्ट और कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट इन योर फैमिली इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया वेयर क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड. किसके क्लोज में हो, डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन में हाउ डू यू हैंडल फैमिली रिलेटेड इश्यूज़. वर्किंग टाइप हो तो आप मैनेज कैसे करते हो, शेड्यूल क्या है आपका, आपके शेड्यूल में देना आना चाहिए. आपने इसमें तो लिख दिया है रनिंग इज़ माई हॉबी, आपके शेड्यूल में उठ के रन ही नहीं कर रहे हो, तो कहीं पे तो डिफरेंस है ना. या तो ये झूठ है या वो झूठ है. आपकी रीडिंग हैबिट है, शेड्यूल बता रहे हो, कहीं पे भी 1 घंटा पढ़ भी नहीं रहे हो कुछ. अब रीडिंग हॉबी है तो आप डेली कोई बुक पढ़ रहे होंगे ना. आपका म्यूज़िक हॉबी है, आपने शेड्यूल बताया. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग वन एग्जाम्पल. और शेड्यूल में कहीं पे भी कुछ गाने वाने सुनने का आ ही नहीं रहा है, तो आपका कहीं पे मिसमैच है. या तो वहाँ झूठ बोल रहे हो, यहाँ झूठ बोल रहे हो. जस्ट आई एम गिविंग एग्जाम्पल. डिस्ट्रैक्शन ही विल ट्राई. ओके, ही विल लुक हियर एंड देयर, या कहीं पे ऐसे करेंगे, या आपकी तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे, आपको लग रहा है बट आपको सुन रहे हैं, वो टाइम पास नहीं कर रहे हैं वहाँ. तो डोंट गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. यू फोकस ऑन योर आंसर. इवन इफ ही इज नॉट लुकिंग एट यू, यू मस्ट लुक एट हिम. योर फ्लो शुड नॉट बी इंटरप्टेड. यू शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन योर आंसर्स. वो आपका रिदम तोड़ने के लिए, आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस ब्रेक होने के लिए डिस्ट्रैक्शंस है, सो दैट और आपका अंदर का बाहर आ जाए. समथिंग विच यू आर ट्राइंग टू हाइड, it should come out. And obviously he is doing his job. He wants to select a potential good Army, Air Force, Navy officer, and there should not be any problem in that. A wrong person should not get into position, and tomorrow there should not be problem for nation, because it is frontiers. A lot of lives are at stake once you become leader. At times he will reject your answer. You should not be reacting to that. Suppose a question is there and he says, are you sure? He is checking your confidence. And if you are not confident, you will get confused. अरे मुझे लग रहा है गलत बोल दिया, तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल चेक हो रहा है. जस्ट बी वेरी वेरी रियलिस्टिक ऑन दैट फ्रंट. कॉमन सेंस अप्लाई करो कि मुझे ये जानबूझ के मेरा ही क्वेश्चन आंसर पे मेरा जो स्टैंडिंग है कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल का, वो चेक हो रहा है. ही इज डिस्टर्बिंग योर कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड इफ यू आर फॉलिंग प्रे टू इट और ट्रैप्ड इन टू इट, यू आर गॉन. लीडरशिप क्वेश्चन हो रही है ना वहाँ पे. आपने आंसर दिया, यू शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि मेरा आंसर कितना सही है कितना गलत है. ओके, सम डूज एंड डोंट्स. जस्ट रीड. समवन कैन रीड.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do's and don'ts. So I'm audible?
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Do's and don'ts. Enter properly. Second one, first impression right. Third, never insert hand into your pocket. Fourth, formal dress. Fifth, haircut. Sixth, washing as per the day of time. Seventh, confident voice and modulations. Eighth, body language. 9, don't argue. 10th, listen the question carefully. 11, be truthful. And 12, never blame anyone for your failures. Thank you.
Okay, wishing as per the day of time. Yes. Any question? I will explain one. Never blame anyone for your failures. This is one of the important quality of leaders. कि they take responsibilities, they are responsible for their own actions. मैंने जो पहले बोला, एक नेचुरल हैबिट होती है कि मेरी गलती नहीं है, मेरे आसपास के लोगों की गलती है. सपोज एक स्टूडेंट को पूछा गया, वाई यू स्कोर्ड लेस इन योर इंजीनियरिंग और 12th और ग्रेजुएशन 10th. ब्लेम कहीं और फिक्स करते हैं. सर वो मेरी टीचर ठीक नहीं थी, पता नहीं कंसेप्ट समझ में नहीं आते थे हमें. डोंट डू दैट. आपको अगर उसमें स्कोर करना था, यू फाइंड आउट योर वेज एंड मीन्स, you go to another teacher. It is not that in your entire class everybody scored less. Impossible. There were people who scored better. Just apply common sense. Why are you fixing blames here and there? Same goes with family level questions. अगर आपने ब्लेम अपने से दूसरों पे देना शुरू किया, you are reducing your chances of selection. And in life also, it is important, take responsibilities. Let's be answerable for our own actions and results. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Physical and mental preparation schedule. Some of the tips I must say. Just prepare your schedule, follow it in systematic way. This is a personality test, not a theoretical test. So it is a simple thing actually. Don't complicate it. Don't be theoretical. टाइम डिसिप्लिन, शेड्यूल बनाओ तो फॉलो भी करो. ये तो किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए लागू है. बी कंसिस्टेंट. डिटर्मिनेशन एंड परसिवरेंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 4 दिन पढ़ाई की और उसके बाद फिर फुस हो गए, फिर जग जाते हो, फॉर्म भरने के बाद जगते हो, कंसिस्टेंट नहीं हो. ऐसे नहीं होता है. आपको ज़िंदगी में कुछ बनना है तो आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगी. द मोर यू स्वेट इन पीस लेस यू ब्लीड इन वॉर. ये फिलॉसफी हर जगह लागू है. अभी मेहनत करोगे तो बाद में गोल्डन लाइफ जियोगे, ड्रीम लाइफ जियोगे. अभी मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ जियोगे. हैव अ सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच. वेरी फेवरेट थीम ऑफ माइन इज सैक्रिफाइस. जिनके जीवन में थोड़ा थोड़ा सैक्रिफाइस होता है वही जीवन सफल होता है. बिना सैक्रिफाइस के कुछ नहीं होता. आज आपको अगर स्लीप सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़े, थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़े, एंटरटेनमेंट सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़े, तभी तो आपकी बिल्डिंग होगी लाइफ की ढंग की. हैव रिव्यू, पीरियडिक रिव्यू. इंटरेक्ट विथ योर मेंटर्स, इंटरेक्ट विथ फ्रेंड्स, फैमिलीज. डेली, वीकली, मंथली रिव्यू करो. क्या प्लान किया था? शेड्यूल इज मेकिंग शेड्यूल एक विजुअलाइज प्लान है. रिव्यू भी तो करो. इस हफ्ते का ये प्लान था, कितना किया? Have an open mind, more observation, regular introspection and start treating your life differently. डिफरेंट कुछ करना है तो डिफरेंटली ट्रीट करो ना अपने आप को. जस्ट राइज, यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल. Why some are getting successful? Reason is that only. Those who are from ordinary setup do some extra thing, they become extraordinary. Simple. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
I have finished. I hope you get some rhythm in your life, some boost, some energy. कुछ करो, अभी कुछ करो. 1-2 साल के अंदर कुछ ज़िंदगी बनानी हमने, ऐसा एक मिशन रखो. टाइम लगेगा, सेटबैक्स आएंगे, फेलियर्स आएंगे, बट बाउंस बैक करने का जज्बा होना चाहिए. नॉट नेसेसरी आपके फ्रेंड को फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर हुआ, आपका नहीं हुआ तो क्या हो गया? आई एम टेलिंग यू, अगेन reiterating it. You may go into a batch with 3rd, 4th, 5th attempt and you may top that course. You may be one of the best officer in tomorrow's life. जो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में गया, हो सकता है दैट पर्सन इज़ नॉट सक्सेसफुल एज एन ऑफिसर. जो सब्सिक्वेंट अटेम्प्ट में गया, बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ दैट लाइफ इज. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी ओपन वर्ल्ड,
Yes, sir.
वेरी वेरी फेयर वर्ल्ड. ट्राई योर बेस्ट. एनी डाउट?
Sir, I want to ask you that if they ask in the interview that why you were not selected last time, I mean, you have done introspection or not. So how to answer this thing? In reality, do we have to tell that we were weak in some place or not? Or, I mean, how to answer this question?
Let's come to again basics. Last time, if someone is not successful, obviously there were some drawbacks. So when I was saying कि we are improving day by day, a leader is always progressive. Nobody is perfect, that is for sure. Everybody is trying to improve day by day. So apply that logic here. Sir, last time I believe I was found lacking in these areas, which your gut feeling is saying. Be honest about it. You may be wrong in assessment, but at least you felt that, because that has got relevance in next part. Because they want to know what extra you have done to pass this time. Because that is something which has to come out. कि ओके सर लास्ट टाइम जैसे आए थे वैसे ही उठ के आ गए क्या? नो, डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट हैव डन समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. वो आपके आंसर में आना चाहिए कि सर लास्ट टाइम आई वॉज feeling I was not prepared, my communication skill was not there, and I made mistake in these things. Probably I did not do enough practice of psychological tests. I could not complete my SRTs, TATs. So reasons can be many, which is reality actually. That is why you did not get selected in the last attempt. So let's be honest about it. And they are also not giving you disadvantage about that. But what extra preparation you have come with, that they want to know, and utilize this opportunity to prove. Sir, because at times I am telling you, this is truth. At times the SSB assessors feel कि ये पिछली बार कैसे नहीं हुआ, ये तो ठीक ही लग रहा है. डेफिनेटली दैट इज अ पॉइंट कि आप कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करके आए इस बार. तो शोकेस दैट वे कि सर लास्ट टाइम नहीं हुआ, आई हैड सम डीमेरिट्स इन मी, आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड वेल, दिस टाइम आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड वेल, I was not focusing on correct part. I hope you are getting my point.
Yes, sir.
Just keep it simple. This entire SSB to be kept simple. No complication. बिल्कुल straight from heart. And just थोड़ा सा जो एक modification कर रहे हो आप कि leadership के aspects उसके साथ आप feel कर रहे हो कि मुझे leader दिखाना है अपने आप को, potential leader दिखाना है. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. We should end here. Lengthy session today. I hope you determine better, ready for fighting back. Some of you are going again for SSB. No difference between fresher and repeater. Again I am telling, go as a fresher only. Again I apply the example of cricketers and players. They go in every match with fresh mind. पिछले मैच का रिजल्ट वेदर गुड और बैड डजंट अप्लाई, डजंट होल्ड ट्रू. पिछली बार जीता था तो इस बार जीतने की गारंटी थोड़ी है. पिछली बार हारे तो इस बार जीतेंगे. अप्लाई दैट लॉजिक. ओके, चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय, जय हिंद.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice